Hi guys, so today we're in the bathroom. I have, well, Season and Curls on Instagram. I'll put their name on the screen. I'll put it in the description box. Season and Curls sent over some products, and today I'm gonna be using them in my hair and basically giving y'all a review, showing y'all how I do wash day. So yeah, stick around for that. Thank you Season and Curls for sending over the products. I love them so much. They are so compatible with my 4C hair, and I really couldn't have asked for better products. So today I'll be taking my subscribers along with my wash day routine. So it's currently after 2. I normally wash my hair on Sundays or any other day that I feel like. But today I cooked first, so I just finished cooking and I said, you know, I'm gonna go and wash my hair. So here I am in the bathroom. So the first thing I do is I wet my hair. So I'm gonna wet my hair and come back and show you how I shampoo. Normally I would pre-poo my hair with aloe vera, but I didn't have any aloe vera. So my hair is not pre-pooed, but that's okay, that's fine. We're still gonna do what we can, okay? So I'll catch you guys when I am shampooing. Normally, when I'm wetting my hair, I normally wet my hair for like 2 minutes and I scrub just to get out any dirt and oil and stuff from last week before I go in with my shampoo. So that is what I'm doing. My hair is wet now. So I'm gonna be shampooing 2 or 3 times. The first time it won't set at all. The second time it won't be that clean, and I think the third time gets it really clean. So that's what I like to do. Do what works for you. Don't even mind me, okay? So I am using the olive oil shampoo from Season and Curls. It is infused with an essential and organic oil blend, and it cleans without dehydrating. It's for all hair types and stages, and it removes buildup and promotes shine and manageability. No, this is not my first time using this shampoo, and the only downfall I have with it is that it does not, I don't know if it's my hair or what, but I think it could have stood some more. That's all, but I love it so much. They smell good. Alright, let me explain this smell good when we are talking about. So they smell like the essential oils that they belong to. So this smell like olive oil, but it have a nice twist to it. You know, like smell like olive oil alone, but it now smell like rose, like lavender and red rose. It now smell like that. So if you buy them and you expect it to smell like that, it's not gonna smell like that. Okay? Let me just put that out there. I don't want nobody say me and give them no false information. It not smell like lavender. It smell like what it smell like. Well, basically, like it smell healthy and good and everything. Okay? Now I have a code for you. If you're gonna shop, you can use my code Chesouye10. I'm gonna put it on the screen and in the description box. Matter of fact, it's in every description box of all my videos. So like, go shop with Season and Curls and use my code Chesouye10. They have good products. Okay? Okay. So I'm gonna shampoo. It don't drop. So I'm gonna shampoo, and I already put some in my hand, and then I go through in my hair. Like, oh, remember on the ball? Look how much hair the pan girl head now. Like, if your hair is longer than mine, and you can do it section by section, that's the better way to shampoo. But my hair, like, plus banana time. But you really should shampoo your hair in sections. section out the hair and shampoo section by section. But you know, okay. So after the first shampoo, my hair feels so much lighter. I don't think I need to do 3 shampoos today. I'm just gonna do 2. So my hair feels so much lighter and it feels shiny, like it feels like some oil is in it now. And that's what I like with the shampoo. So I washed out all of the shampoo and my hair feels cleaner. It's not itchy anymore. It was itchy before. I just keep dripping. This is the Season and Curls Cocoa Butter Conditioner, and I'm gonna use it is infused with an organic oil blend, again like all the products, and it moisturizes while restoring. It prevents breakage, promotes growth, and it is rich in moisture. It has cocoa butter, organic oils, vitamins, and a natural preservative. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with my cocoa butter conditioner. I'm using this much and I rub it in the palm of my hand and I work through wet hair. Ooh. I actually like the smell of this one so much. It is so good. And I get a white tooth comb and comb through, well, detangle my hair. So that's what we're doing. Please go from ends to roots. Alright, so I wash out all of the conditioner and I'm gonna go in with my deep conditioner now. My rice water deep conditioner. Let me just show y'all. So this is the rice water deep conditioner and it strengthens, repairs, and promotes growth, right? All the products are top 12 allergen free. So if you're allergic to something, you don't have to worry, it's allergen free. You can use it in your kids' hair. I use it in my little sister's ear all the time and it does not do her anything at all. More than good. It does good to her hair. It is 100% natural, no sulfates, no. So normally I put a little in my hand and I work through my hair in sections. I fully saturate the hair and then I leave in it for 30 minutes and then I rinse, right? I normally put a steam cap over my hair. I can't find any steam cap right now, so I'm gonna use a plastic bag, okay? Period. So I work through the hair with the deep conditioner. This actually smells so good. I was worried because rice water and so good. I can't wait to see my hair in 6 months from now because this year is gonna be so health focused. Happy New Year, by the way. Happy New Year to my gang, my subbies. How y'all doing? Hope y'all doing good. I'm doing good. I'm doing well. So I think my hair is fully saturated. Remember to use my code Sashai10 when you shop your good products, okay? So I think the hair is fully saturated. I'm going to go ahead and leave it in for 30 minutes. So it has been about 35 minutes. I bathe and stuff, and this is what it looks like, fresh under my plastic bag. And now I'm gonna wash it out. So guys, I just finished washing out the deep conditioner from my hair. This is the end of the video. This is how it turned out. Like, there's no product in my hair right now, and my hair feels so light, so clean. I love these products so much. I've been using them for about a month and I've seen results. I recommend them 100% to you. Please go over to Season and Curls and shop. Use my code at Chesouye10 when you shop for $4 off. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. If you want to see how I do my wash and go or how I define my curls, I can get that done for y'all. I have those products as well. I have the whole product line and I've been loving it so much. So go shop, use my code. My code is in the description box. Follow me on all socials at Chesouye, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.